Hello everyone. First of all, shout out and thank you to Manny John for driving us to Naga Airport to catch our flight to Manila. I am excited to share with you our Taiwan trip last year. We landed at NAIA Terminal 4 and are now walking to the free airport transfer to NAIA Terminal 3. Upon arriving at Terminal 3, we pay the travel tax. You may opt to pay online for a convenience fee to avoid queuing. Then we went upstairs to look for some light eats since we haven't had our lunch yet. Then went down again to drop our luggages. We checked in online to avoid the hassle. We have also filled out our e-travel last night. Next is the immigration. Don't forget to fill out your e-travel at least 24 hours before your international flight. The documents I prepared were passport, confirmed flight, and hotel booking, COE, company ID, payslips, and bank statements. I will share with you my immigration experience. Kindly just pause the video to read. We passed immigration and officially we are going to Taiwan. We are still early, so we took some pictures first for memories and had our dinner while waiting. We had Japanese food as our last dinner before the flight. And the waiting game continues. This is our first glimpse of Taiwan. Such a beautiful country. By the way, before your flight, make sure to fill out the Taiwan arrival card. Also, don't bring meat or any meat products into Taiwan. You will be subjected to meat quarantine upon arrival, and bringing meat to Taiwan is strictly prohibited. We arrived in Taiyuan International Airport at 1:37 a.m. The flight is smooth, though I wasn't able to get a wink of sleep. We are now walking to the meat quarantine first and then immigration. The airport is super cold. This is the iconic Taiwan signage in front of immigration. I can't believe that we are here. Back then, there was still Lucky Land, so we tried our luck. Alas, we lost that time, but it's still okay. Then, I used my GCash card to withdraw cash while Ate used the money exchange counter. Welcome to Taiwan. After withdrawing and taking pictures, we went down to the convenience store to buy some light snacks and drinks and our Easy Card. You can also purchase your Easy Card on Klook, but we opted not to because we want to choose the design. This is Ate's Easy Card. This is my Easy Card, and it has free anime design. We loaded our Easy Cards using the reloading machines near the convenience store and bus station while waiting for the Klook counter to open at 4:30 a.m. We claimed our Taiwan SIM cards, which we ordered on Klook there. Just show your voucher and passports to the staff and they will help you register your SIM card. Our initial plan was to use the bus to go to the Taipei main station, but since the airport train is opening soon, we chose to use it. The transportation system in Taiwan is so convenient. The trains arrive on time. There were signs in Chinese, Mandarin, and English everywhere. It's easy to navigate. We rode the purple train to reach the city faster since it has fewer stops. We didn't get to take vids on Taipei main station because it's so big that it was confusing and we don't want to get lost. But we just rode another train to Ximen, which is one stop away to Taipei main station, and used the Ximen station exit 2, and our hotel is right outside Ximen station exit 2. We stayed at Airline in Ximen. It has a very convenient location and they have 7-Eleven downstairs. This is the neighborhood outside the hotel.